Attention, need a positive change in your life? Discover the complete 10-part step-by-step plan to transform your life and become a better you. Finally, create a meaningful life, master your brain, overcome your fears, remove self-doubt, build confidence, and much more. Have you ever wanted to become something more than what you are currently? Do you believe that you are destined for greater things? Do you want the motivation to just tackle all your goals and stop procrastinating? Do you want to get rid of bad habits and form good habits instead? Are you lacking confidence and feel like you would get a lot further in your career, relationships, health, and wealth? The question is, why aren't you feeling fulfilled? Almost half of Americans said they'd experienced a major stressful event in the last year, according to a survey of 2,500 adults by National Public Radio. You may be experiencing so much more pressure at home, work, and socially. You may be living less in the moment and spending more time on gadgets. It's no wonder you're looking to improve your life in one or more areas. What can you do today to change your life? If you want to change your life, then the first important thing you need to understand is that you are entirely responsible for your actions. No one is going to create your life except you. It all comes from your mindset. From understanding more about yourself, what you want, and what is currently stopping you from getting it. Positive steps lead to positive results. Period. But how do you make those positive steps towards a brighter, more purposeful life? You now can. In a 10-part course, I'd like to introduce you to Personal Transformation Mastery. A complete 10-part home study course to transform your life and become a better you. Here's exactly what you'll get inside the course. The Personal Transformation Mastery 10-part guide. In Personal Transformation Mastery, you'll discover that you really do have untapped potential just waiting to be unleashed. Not only that, but you'll discover exactly the powerful techniques you can use to awaken it. Personal Transformation Mastery contains 10 guides in one. Here is what you'll find inside. Guide 1. How to get and stay motivated. Guide 2. End procrastination. Guide 3. Overcoming fear. Guide 4. Self-confidence boost. Guide 5. A healthier you. Guide 6. How to develop powerful habits. Guide 7. How to create a meaningful life. Guide 8. Master your brain. Guide 9. Goal setting made simple. Guide 10. Clear the mind. In essence, you'll discover how to become smarter, how to overcome fear, how to get what you want in your relationships, how to find your purpose and discover meaning in your life, how to avoid procrastination and gain unstoppable discipline, how to become more inspiring and charismatic, how to adopt new habits and destroy bad ones, how to understand your brain and make better use of it, how to tap into a powerful flow state and perform at your very best, how to fix your health and gain more energy and vitality with simple changes, and much more. The guides are written in short, digestible chunks that anyone can dive into and out of, and that makes the process of developing yourself fun, easy, and powerful. You'll find that with just a little understanding of how your brain works, you can turn your attention to the things you really want to accomplish, stop fretting the small stuff, and complete your personal transformation. Special bonuses for taking action. Fast action bonus number 1. Point-by-point checklist. Fast action bonus number 2. Resource cheat sheet. You'll also get access to a Rolodex of top sites, blogs, forums, tools, apps, and services to get you even further. Inside you'll find top blogs and forums, top tools, top tips and how-tos, plus more. Fast action bonus number 3. Mind map. A quick glance over this mind map and you'll get an instant refresher of all the major points and action steps from the main guide. Does that sound good or what? How can I use this powerful guide right now? You can own Personal Transformation Mastery together with all the bonuses for a mere $17. That is a truly incredible deal. Did I mention this course is only $17? It's definitely a point worth repeating, seeing as it usually sells for $47. You will be hard-pressed to find a more valuable resource. I'm delighted to have the chance to share this powerful guide with you. Again, you will receive the comprehensive and valuable insights for only $17. Please click the Add to Cart button right now and take ownership of this valuable course today. Get instant access right now.